We spoke about how important it is to close the file. So you open it and you have to close it. But the problem is that lots of people don't remember to close the file, correct? So it means we have a different way how to write this type of code. Okay, so it means it's a type of writing when you don't need to think about closing, and it's better and it's a safety way how to write the code. So I will show you. So this I will put it here. So here we just open a file using a context manager. So what does it mean? A context manager means that it managed lots of things for you. So it means you just write with open. Here it's absolutely the same thing. So it means example.txt, so the name of the file and the privileges. So here I will write example.txt and here it will be write. You usually write here as file. You can write here whatever you want, as some people write just SF. I will write a file to be clear, and here you will create a content. So it means the content variable, and you just read it. So it means file.read. So it has to be this name, file.read. Okay, and that's it. So now you just print content, and this is absolutely the same thing like this, but you don't have to write a close to closing the file. So you don't have to write file.close. So I will run it, and you can see my name is David. Again, it's absolutely the same. Okay, so please use this context manager because it's better, it's safer, and it's more useful.